Today we are going to see exercise 12.1 Heron's formula chapter, second problem. The question is, a triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. So the diagram they have been drawn like this, triangle. So the sides of the wall are, what are they? The sides of the wall are, the sides of the wall means which wall? Triangular side wall. Wall means it is represented with triangular side wall. So the sides of triangle 1, 2, 3. Triangle means what? 3 sides. So this is one side, this is one side, this is one side. So 3 sides means what are the 3 sides they have given? Triangles. We can consider it as ABC. ABC are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. So these are the 3 sides. So first what we need to do? We need to write the perimeter first. We need to first find out the perimeter. So perimeter of the triangle ABC is how much? Perimeter of triangle ABC is what? Perimeter means what? What is the concept of the perimeter? The concept of the perimeter is addition. So perimeter of a triangle means we need to add all those sides. 122 meter, 22 meter, 120 meter. So when you are adding entire thing, how much it will come? 122, 22, 120. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2. How much it will come? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So 264. So 264 meter. The next thing, we need to find out the semi-perimeter. Because in the Heron's formula, we need to find through the semi-perimeter only we can able to find out the solution. So semi-perimeter is semi-perimeter equal to, what is the formula? Perimeter by 2. So 264 divided by 2. How much? 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. So this is the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter of triangle ABC. Then next thing is what we need to do? By using Heron's formula. By using Heron's formula, square root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So what is the size s value? Semi-perimeter value is 132 meter. So 132 into s is what? 132 minus a is what? 122. B is 22. C is 120. So 120 meter. So A is what? 122 into S is what? 132 minus B is what? 22 into S is what? 132 minus C is what? 120. Now that is A value is 122, so we have stepped out here 122. B value is 22, C value 120. Now 132 into 132 minus 122 is how much? 132 minus 122 is how much? 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. So 10. 132 minus 22 is how much? 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 0, so 110. 132 120 is how much? 2 minus 0? 2. 3 minus 2? 1. So, into 12. So, now 132 into how much it will come? 132 into 10? 1320. 110 into 20, 12 is how much? 110 multiplied by 12. 2 into 0? 0. 2 ones are? 2 ones are? 1 into 0? 0. 1 into 1? 1. 1 into 1? 1. 0, 2. 2 plus 1? 3. So, into 1. This one is this one, 1320. So, when you are taking square root, how much it will come? When you are taking square root, how much it will come? So, 2 square, there is a square. So, 1320 whole square, whole power 1 by 2. 2 cancel. So, 1320 square meter. Then, next question, what they are asking? The advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. Per year, how much they are asking? By using this advertisement cost, that is, this much of square meter has been done. So the rate of advertisement per year is how much? 1320 is rupees 5,000. Is rupees 5,000 per meter square. So now how we are going to calculate it? A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. For 3 months, a company hired with its wall is how much? 1320 into 5,000 is how much it will come? 1320 into 5,000. So first we can solve these numbers around. 0 you leave it as it is. 5 2s are 10. Balance 1. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. Balance 1. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1 6. So remaining amount is how much? 0 0 0. 3 zeros, here 1 0. So 4 zeros are there. 10 1 15 1. 10 1 16 1. 5 2s are 10. Balance 1. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. Balance 1 6. So 1 2 3 4 zeros. So the cost is 660000. So this much is the amount, but they are asking for what? For the 3 months alone they are asking. So for 3 months, how we need to do? Into 3 into 12. That is 1320 into 5,000 into 3 by 12. So how much it will come? 1 3 is 3. 4 3s are 12. 1 4 is 4. 3 4s are 12. Balance 1. 3 4s are 12. 0. So 330 into 5,000 is how much it will come? 5 3s are 15. Balance 1. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. So 4 zeros. So now this much amount. Yeah, for 3 months, a company hired with its wall is how much? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 16 lakhs, 50,000 is the amount. So this is what about the calculation of the rent. How much rent did it pay? That's all. Thank you.